Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. Here at a house we're looking to purchase. We're in Baton Rouge, East Baton Rouge Parish. It's actually a house is an investor friend, someone we actually know is in our network, who's an investor, has lots of rentals. Unfortunately, you might already see behind me, there was a fire at the rental property and it was pretty severe. So he reached out to us to potentially buy it. Just assessing it now, it's really probably not salvageable. We do buy fire damaged properties and don't mind repairing them. This one though, you'll see is pretty far gone. I don't even really want to walk in there because I'm not confident that I won't not fall through it. So, you know, some of it's intact. I mean, we can save some, but just with a roof and that smoke damage, I think this one's pretty much gone. But we do buy lots, so still, you know, we could potentially demo this and build something new. Probably not the best area for a new build though. Here in Baton Rouge, probably not the greatest area. So we'll see what we can do on this one. Yeah, obviously pretty nasty fire. Unfortunately, our friend didn't have insurance on the property, so he has owned it a long time though, so he didn't owe anything on it. So at least he, you know, hasn't got a mortgage on it, which would have made him have insurance actually. But you know, so we will buy houses like this. They don't need to be this bad, but we will look at houses this bad, and we'll look at fire damaged properties. We will look at houses with tenants. So, you know, if you've got a property you're looking to sell anywhere in Louisiana, we've got a really strong emphasis at the moment. We're buying in Baton Rouge, Greater New Orleans, and the Northshore. We're really trying to be very active there. So if you've got deals in there particularly, reach out to us. We're happy to give you some advice and tell you what we would pay for it. Yeah, so reach out, homebuyerlouisiana.com, check out our website. You'll see lots of information about what it's like selling to a cash buyer, and I really hope your property doesn't look like this. Thanks guys.